Welcome to Geometry Maths channel. My name is JANIS. Alright, now look at this particular question. This calculus question is very simple and very easy. Question says what? Evaluate limb 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 over x plus 2. They say as x was term of 2, x term of 2. Now what do I do here? Very simple and very easy. You already know that calculus is a lot about what? Using the numerator of the particular fraction given to you, and factorizing it where possible. Then you will divide with one of the factor that you used as x plus 2. So a secret about calculus is that after factorizing the numerator, one of the factor must give you the denominator given to you from the question, so that I can be able to eliminate. That shows you in the right track. Now looking at this question very well, let's go solution. We have it as they gave us 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 over x plus 2. Alright, now remember I said we are working with the numerator. Now let's factorize the one up. So the number up is we have it as the numerator, which is numerator, we have it as numerator is 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. Now what do I do here? Very simple. Now I have to look at this number very well. Now how do I factorize this number? This is a quadratic factorization. Why? Because of the exponent 2 here makes it a quadratic factorization. Now what do we do in quadratic factorization? When you have a quadratic factorization, it's different from your normal factorization. Quadratic factorization, you're using you are using the number from the quadratic factorization multiplying with the constant. The constant here is 6. So automatically I'm working with 2 times 6, 2 times 6, 2 times 6. Why am I using 2 times 6? Because of a quadratic factorization. But when it's not a quadratic factorization, I'll say, okay, what are the factors of 6? Then when I add them or subtract them together, it gives me 7, which is the middle number. Alright, now it's a quadratic factorization. That means we're using 2 and 6. So 2 times 6 is is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. And the factors of 12 are what? These are the factors of 12. The factors of 12, which is factor of 12 are 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors of 12. Now from this factor of 12, what two numbers will I add or subtract that will give me 7? The two numbers I will add or subtract that will give me 7 is 3 and 4. Remember, I got this 12 from 2 times 6. That's how I got this 12 from this 2 times 6. The quadratic number and the constant gave me 12. Then I look for the factors of 12, which is 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So two numbers that when I add them and subtract them gives me 7 and 3 and 4. So I'm using 3 and 4 from that particular question. So I'm still working with the numerator from this the limb. So I have it as 2x squared plus, so 7 will replace as 3x plus 4x plus 6. Good. So I'm factorizing this particular number and I'm dividing them by 2. I'm pairing them in 2 pairs. So I have it as I'm pairing them. So let me pair them. Let me pair them together. So I'm pairing it from here, this, and also this. I've grouped them into 2 different places. So what is common from here? What's common here is looking at this very well, what's common is x. Good. So x going to this, I'm left with 2x here, because x will divide x, left with 2x. S divide x, I'm left with 3 from this part. This is my first one. So what's common here? Plus 2 is common. Plus 2 going this, I'm left with 2x. Then plus 2 going this, I'm left with 3. Alright, now after factorizing, you can observe that my first bracket is the same as my second bracket. That's another key word in factorization. First bracket will be the same as the second bracket. So let me come to this part of the board. Right, so from here I have it as Let me bring back that question. I have x, open bracket, 2x plus 3. Then I have plus 2, open bracket, 2x plus 3. Then over the denominator that was given to me is x plus 2. So now from this part, I pick one of the brackets. One of the brackets is 2x plus 3. Then the second one is x plus 2. I pick x plus 2 over x plus 2. Now if you observe very well, you observe that the denominator now have one of the factor after factorization. So that means I'm on the right track because I'm having x plus 2. I'm also having x plus 2. So they can easily cancel out. So I'm left with 2x plus 3. So limb 2x plus 3 as x tends to 2. So this is my limb 2x plus 3. This is my limb. My limb is 2x plus 3. Then as x tends to 2, that means anywhere I see x, I replace it as 2 from my limb. So I have it as what? 2 open brackets. My x is here, which it becomes 2 plus what? 3. So I'm replacing what? This x as 2 after getting my limb. I'm replacing the x as 2. So 2 times 2 is what? 4 plus what? 3, which is equal to what? 7. So my final answer is what? Is 7. So that means what? Limb 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 over x plus 2 as x times 2 is equal to what? 7. Thank you for watching. Hope you like and enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more. See you in the next class. Bye.